Alright, I'm gonna try this again because allegedly this shit did not save the last time I recorded. Now standing in the middle of the street. Southside Alaska. I don't know when I moved here, but apparently I moved to the south side of Alaska. Alaska, Queens, you know how we do. This is the middle of the road movement. That's the dude, brave, digging himself out. I had recorded him before, but, you know, at some point, my joint decided it didn't feel like recording. Those are some more brave people. These people, I believe, are the people that made these tracks in the street. These are not snowplow track people. I want you to pay attention to that. These are just big-ass truck tracks. This is the snow reading in the middle of the street right now. 10 inches, y'all. 10 inches is what we fucking with. In the middle of the street. I'm gonna walk back through this drift, which is a little bit higher. We're gonna guess about 11 to 12 inches on the snow drift. And I'm gonna walk to the car that takes me places. We're gonna take a measurement on this car to see how much snow is covering the current car that, you know, takes me places. Let it focus up.